Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into the perennially popular vegetable, celery. Get ready to learn all about the vegetable that can help you be your healthiest and most creative self. From its juicy crunch to its many health benefits, celery is an excellent addition to any kitchen, and it's not too hard to understand why. So, let's get to exploring the wonderful world of celery and all of its many health benefits. Celery is a vegetable that has been consumed for centuries due to its numerous health benefits. However, many people do not know the extent of its nutritional value and how it can improve their overall health. In this video, we will explore the different ways celery can benefit your body and how it can be incorporated into your diet. Celery is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and aid in weight loss. It is also a low-calorie vegetable that can be used as a healthy snack option. Additionally, celery is known to have a high water content that can help with hydration and detoxification. Furthermore, celery has been found to have anti-cancer properties due to its flavonoid polyacetylene compounds. These compounds help to reduce oxidative stress on the body and prevent the growth of cancer cells. Celery is a green vegetable that is often used as a garnish or in salads, but its health benefits are often overlooked. Celery is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber and potassium. It also contains antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Additionally, celery has been shown to aid in digestion and may help lower blood pressure. While celery may not be the most exciting vegetable, its health benefits make it a valuable addition to any diet. It is important to understand and incorporate celery into your meals to reap its many health benefits. In conclusion, celery is a highly nutritious vegetable that has been consumed for centuries for its medicinal properties. From reducing inflammation and improving digestive health to supporting heart health and reducing the risk of cancer. Celery has a range of health benefits that make it a valuable addition to any diet. Moreover, celery is versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, making it an easy and delicious way to boost overall health and well-being. So, the next time you're grocery shopping, consider adding some celery to your cart and start reaping the benefits of this amazing vegetable.